In today's video, I will guide you step-by-step process of how to add admin on Facebook page. This is pretty simple, guys. All you need to do is open your Facebook application and tap on these three lines here. Switch to the page on which you want to add admin and scroll down. Here tap on Setting and Privacy, then press on Setting. Here scroll down and you need to find here Page Setup. Once found, tap on it, then tap Page Access, then press Add New, then press Next, and you will head to this page. Here search by name or username, like searching for Elon Musk. I think Elon Musk haven't any Facebook profile. Let me search for Jeff Bezos. Once you found your required profile, tap on it and it will ask to give full control or not. Enable this if you want to give full access. Like other person can do everything, even can remove you from this Facebook page. Once you verified everything, then press Give Access, then enter your Facebook password and press Confirm, and our invitation will be sent to the other person. Now he have 31 days to join. After this, our invitation link will be expired. To cancel it manually, tap on these three dots and then tap on Cancel Invite, and our sent invitation will be canceled. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.